If you're rolling around in a Tacoma and living that outdoor life, kayaking, camping, hauling gear, you've probably hit that wall where your truck bed just ain't cutting it. That's where bed racks come in clutch. They give you extra vertical space, keep your gear tight and organized, and make overlanding setups a whole lot easier. Today, we're breaking down 5 of the best bed racks for the Toyota Tacoma so you can find the one that fits your vibe. And hey, all the product links are down in the description. Don't forget to check those out. Let's kick things off with number 5, the AA racks. This rack is simple, sturdy, and super versatile. It's built from heavy-duty aluminum and holds up to 450 pounds evenly spread out. You can tweak the bar height depending on your load, and it's powder-coated for all-weather resistance. The best part? No drilling. Just clamp it on and hit the road. It's great for folks who need a rack for work or weekend trips, but keep in mind it doesn't play well with trucks that have a utility track system. Quick install, solid build, and budget-friendly. At number 4, we've got the Yzona Overland Bed Rack. This bad boy is all about strength and function. It's made from heavy-duty steel and can hold up to 1,000 pounds when parked, and 500 pounds while you're cruising. It's decked out with slim slots and side panels for mounting lights, tools, rooftop tents, you name it. Plus, it comes with 2 LED light bars, which is a nice touch for night drives or setting up camp. Install is a breeze, no drilling required, and it adjusts to line up perfectly with your cab. It's a solid choice if you want durability without sacrificing convenience. Coming in hot at number 3, the Eyouhz Overland Bed Rack gives you more height and flexibility than your average setup. This one's adjustable in just about every direction. Height, width, spacing, you name it. It's a beast when it comes to carrying gear, holding 1,000 pounds static and 500 pounds in motion, thanks to its thick steel plate construction. Users love how easy it is to mount gear like kayaks, bikes, and even rooftop tents. Like the Yzona, it includes LED light bars and no-drill installation. If you're a mod-happy overlander, this rack gives you room to customize without breaking a sweat. In second place, the Tyger Auto Overland Rack steps up the game with its insane mounting flexibility. This rack has over 100 mounting slots. Yeah, you heard that right. So you can attach everything from recovery boards and gas cans to bike racks and tents. The V-brace carbon steel frame adds serious stability with a 700-pound static capacity and 150 to 400 pounds dynamic load. It's got a sleek, low-profile look and works with or without utility rails. The install's easy, and it comes with a 5-year warranty. If you're building out your Tacoma for hardcore off-grid action, this is a do-it-all rig. And finally, the number 1 pick, Hooke Road's Tacoma Bed Rack. This setup nails the balance between rugged and ready. It's 18.8 inches tall, made from thick steel, and built like a tank with 800 pounds static and 400 pounds dynamic capacity. The rack comes with long side cutouts for mounting all your must-haves. Lights, jacks, roof tents, you name it. It's powder-coated and E-coated for double corrosion resistance. And the bolt-on design means no drilling. Hooke Road gets tons of love for durability and quality support, making it perfect for anyone who's serious about their overland rig, but still wants hassle-free install and killer strength. All right, y'all. That wraps up the rundown on the best bed racks for the Toyota Tacoma. Each one has its strengths, whether you're hauling gear for work, chasing the trails, or setting up base camp in the wild. Remember, all the product links are in the video description, so check them out for more specs or current pricing. And hey, if this helped you out, drop a like, hit subscribe, and stick around for more gear reviews and truck tips. Catch you next time.